I'm replacing a 806 SLHTCP ballast W, a recommended REBL 2S40, and the 806 has 4 wires and the REBL has 8 wires. How do I wire the new ballast?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just this morning.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The fixture has 2 8T12 bulbs.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question. What are the colors of the wires?
The old 806 has 0 knee black and white on one end and a red and blue on the other end. The new REBL has 1 black and white on one end and 2 each red, blue and yellow on the other end.
Wrong ballast for 8 feet tubes.ade for 4 feet tubes.
New black and white to old black and white, correct? New red to old wires, same end regardless of color, correct? New yellow to other end old wires regardless of color, correct? Do not use blue at all, correct? The ends do not matter which end?
Wrong ballast for 8 feet lamps. Made for 4 feet lamps. Disregard previous connections. Get the right ballast.
Oh, I just read that it is the wrong ballast.
I was able to get the wiring diagram online. The ballast should have the diagram on it.
Do you know which Phillips Advance and B-Star I should get?
Stand by.
Thanks.
Couldn't find an advanced ballast online. Several manufacturers for a 2-lamp F96T22 122/240ths of a volt electronic ballast. Home Depot shows a GE ballast for $31.
Okay, will I run into the same wiring problems, too many wires?
The diagram will be on the ballast. The thing to note is that electronic ballast have the feed wires go directly to the ballast and don't connect to a socket.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.